This is Fiel of Mayad. Say hi to Kat.
Hi, Kat.
Katrina is
Hi, Kat.
one of our members.
Hi, Kat.
Who is any message to a future videographer? Katrina is like wants to be a videographer someday.
Never give up. Aim high. Inspire and be inspired.
Si Fiel yun, bye. In Bisaya, i-translate ko, it's rock and roll. This is, by the way, Marga. Hi, Marga. She's busy right now. And Avon, say hi to Kat.
Hello, what's up? How's the US? Have you been to New York?
Have you seen her like video in she skydive? I think
I
Sheena.
haven't. I haven't checked on her Facebook. Sorry.
I think Katrina and Sheena is the one who's been like,
Who's been contacting each other? That's so cool.
so this is Von.
Yeah, I don't know if you.
Von with a V.
Yeah, I don't know if
And
you
me
remember.
is Bon with a B. So I'm Bon.
Hello.
And
This is Jose.
or like say hi to Kat. Anything you can
Hello.
say to Kat.
Konnichiwa. Habla Español.
And King. Anything you can say to the cat? And she's a pet, actually. Cat.
Future video.
Steven Spielberg.
Meow. Meow. I'm so wasted.
And
I can send a message to you tomorrow.
and you.
Hi, Kat. I hope you
Meet you someday. Nagbuhay.
go well. And let's say, Smallville.
So, Kat, sa mga kumaingon. Nolan to. Mayad Studios wishes you rock and roll filmmaking stuff. They expect you to make Avatar 3. And the rest, sorry Kat, kami lang. Come! Gary over there and Edu. Next time, Kat. Tomorrow day. Shoot that tomorrow. Rock and roll, bye-bye.